Hi everyone! Today I wanted to show you how you can make a simple maze game on Scratch. Let's get started. First, let's start by choosing a character that will move around in our maze. I'm going to choose Giga walking. Let's start by animating our character. To do this, we can drag out a next costume block from the looks category. This is going to make that sprite go to its next costume. Now let's put that in a forever loop. If you try running this code, you can see that Giga is walking way too fast. Let's go ahead and slow that down by adding a wait block before the next costume block and after it too. Much better. Now let's try making this character actually move forward. Dragging out a move 10 steps block from the motions category will make that character move forward every time we run this script. Let's drag out a when key pressed block from the events category and change that to the right arrow key pressed. When we click on the right arrow key, Giga seems to be moving forward, and that's exactly what we want. But she's not stopping every time we stop pressing it. We're going to change that later on. Let's add the other directions first. Now let's go ahead and make Giga move downwards. To do that, we're going to drag out another when key pressed block, and we're going to change that into down arrow key pressed. Since there's no animation for the down arrow, we're going to go ahead and just drag out a change Y by block. -10 is fine. In case you're wondering, X is the direction left to right, and Y is the direction top to bottom. Moving Y by -10 will make Giga move downward, since the negatives of Y is at the bottom of the screen. Now, to fix the problem earlier, we're going to go ahead and delete every single block except the move 10 steps block. Now, we're going to drag out a switch costume 2 block, and we're going to drag out as many costumes as there are in your character sprite that's walking. You can change them into each consecutive number. Now, we're going to have to add a wait block in between each of them. I'll have it wait 0.1 seconds, not too much. Now, once we start the project, Giga walks when we click on the right arrow, and when we stop, she stops as well. Perfect. Let's finish adding the other directions. Now, I want Giga going to the left. So we're going to drag out another block that says when key pressed. This is going to make Giga go to the left, so we're going to go ahead and do -10 steps. That's the X value. You could also do change X by, but steps is the most easiest version of this. Now I want Giga to animate going left too. We can do this easily by flipping the costumes vertically. This is going to make Giga go to the other side, face the other side. So in order to do that, we'll have to duplicate every 3 costumes of her, and we're going to have to rename them so we don't get confused by which one is the left and which one is the right. You only have to rename one, but if you feel like it's comfortable to rename both of the types of costumes, feel free to do that. Now switching back to the Code tab, we can go ahead and add another Switch costume block and change the scripts as I've shown here. So going forward, we also have to add a maze. We're going to do that by making a backdrop. While constructing the maze, you can also reset Giga's size a little smaller and also make a small door that's blue. We're going to also make another costume here in the backdrops, and we're going to go ahead and make a different color. Now this color won't work unless we add another bit of code that will say touching pink color, but I strongly suggest that you use the same color as you did in the first maze. And there you have it. You've got your very own maze. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!